Please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Vicky Tech. Hey guys, hope you all are good and doing great. I have a small request. Please subscribe this channel and tap on the bell icon for further notifications. In this video, let's check out my review on the Philips men's beard trimmer QT4011 by 15. I have been using this trimmer from more than one and a half month onwards. So let's check out my complete opinion. I was going to give you whether it is worth or not. Its price is nearly 2000 rupees. I have purchased in Amazon. Check the link in the description. So if you purchase from that link, I get a small commission from you, so which will be helpful for me to do more gadgets reviews on this channel. First of all, the build quality was good and I feel very comfortable when I hold it in my hand. I have been personally using this trimmer from more than 1.5 months onwards. It's good and I think it's completely worth for the money. Of course, there was a Chinese brand which was available in the market, but Philips is the brand, we know that. When we turn on the trimmer, I noticed the motor sound from this trimmer was a little bit noisy, but it's okay. We can consider them. And also guys, I just want to let you know this. This is the Philips multi-groma trimmer. So its cost is around 5,500 rupees. I think so. I have purchased this probably 4.5 years back. It's one of the good trimmer, but what I feel, my investment on this particular trimmer around 5,000, more than 5,500, I think so. I haven't remember the exact price. My opinion, I think it is absolutely not worth for me, because this particular trimmer comes with a lot of combs for different sizes of different hair cutting styles, and also different blades also. We can use the blade according to our style we prefer. But to be frankly saying, if you compare this both, my vote is for this one. Don't treat me wrong. If you are a saloon shopkeeper, if you're a saloon man, a professional saloon, then it is good for you. Otherwise, if you are a personal using, this one is the best option for you. Because it is just nearly 2000 rupees, but this is around 5,500. But of course, it comes with multiple different measurements of combs and everything, different blades, different combs. But to be frankly, we do not use all the stuff every day. This is enough for us, for professional, and it is just way for us. Just 60 minutes of charge, it gives the battery lasts long, around 90 minutes. But whereas it takes, I think, if I put charging for 1 hour, the battery lasts just for 5 minutes only. So which is not useful to do that trim for us. So that's why I purchased this. The blades was the titanium blades, and it's a self-sharpening blades, and also when you use the blades directly on your face, it's very skin friendly blades, very smooth experience, no irritation, no irritating anything. I haven't faced any kind of skin issues when I'm using this blade. And this titanium blades was also self-sharpening, and also it's completely waterproof. And also guys, I think it's worth for the money. Of course, there was many brands available in the market behind this trimmer, because it is 2000 rupees. Even if we invest 300 rupees also, we can get the trimmers. But there were Chinese companies. Of course, Philips is the Philips branded. Hey guys, in this video, I hope I have provided all the information. So if you have any specific questions, please let me know in the comment section. I was happy to assist you. Thank you so much for your love, support and commitment. See you very soon. Take care.